Okay, now we are in our factory for coconut shell briquettes. Let's take a look. This is our manual shaving machine. We separate the bad materials such as coconut fiber and powder. This one is our rotary shaving machine. Yes, our shaving process is much longer to make a better product result. Here, we just use the pure coconut shell to make the good coconut shell briquettes. This is our oven machine. We use this oven to reduce the moisture of our briquettes. This is our preheat coconut shell briquettes. As you can see, the product is smooth and crackless. That is our mixing machine to combine all the materials with the right composition. That one is our blending machine. It helps the product unite perfectly. After blending, we keep it for a while to reduce the heat. Here is our briquettes pressing machine, followed by the conveyor and the cutting machine. We can do all of your size and shape requests to be matched with your OEM product standard. After cutting, we press the preheat briquettes before we put into our oven that we saw before. Yes, you are ready to get into our factory and our production process. Just feel free to contact us now. We will give you the best quality that matches with your OEM standard with a better price. Just contact us now to our WhatsApp for the fast response.